Now to an unexpected side effect from the COVID pandemic, cracked teeth.
I did not see this one coming.
Not at all.
One recent survey found 63% of dentists reported an increase in cracked teeth as a result of the stress we all felt during the pandemic. Health and wellness reporter Lauren Petty has this story.
Deb Gallios needed to find relief.
I knew something was wrong because I had extreme pain that I never experienced before.
She went to see endodontist Dr. Brett Gilbert, who told her she had a cracked tooth, something he's seeing more and more of these days.
We had sort of a pandemic inside of the pandemic, and we've been seeing it across the board.
Stress is one cause for cracked teeth.
Basically, you can have it just from general clenching, from grinding your teeth, obviously biting on hard things, habits like chewing ice, pen caps, biting your nails.
Dr. Gilbert says discoloration, nerve sensation, and pain are all warning signs, and cracks can happen in any teeth, not just molars.
If you suspect you have a crack in your tooth, it's important you get treated right away.
The sooner we can get to a crack, and if it's contained within the part of the tooth that we chew on, that you see above your gum tissue, then it's typically manageable. The problem is when they start to extend down the root form. Once it's onto the root, it becomes a much more difficult prognosis.
Sometimes people, I think, shrug it off and say, oh, I bit on a pretzel too hard, or it's fine, it's nothing. And indeed, there could be a subtle little crack that's starting to do damage.
A jaw condition called TMJ disorder contributed to Deb's cracked tooth. For the teeth grinders out there,
a nite or bite guard would give you an opportunity to have something in between the two sets of teeth so that when you do grind, there's a buffer there.
Dr. Gilbert says endodontists work in collaboration with dentists, but patients can go right to an endodontist if they suspect a cracked tooth. Lauren Petty, NBC 5 News.
The pandemic wasn't tough enough. Now we
Right?
have cracked teeth to deal with after all that. I just didn't think that.
I totally get that, though.